Hi guys, welcome to the Trick Hottie channel. In this video, I'll give you a tutorial on how to fix a lost cell phone signal that prevents you from connecting to the internet. Watch this video until the end, and don't forget to subscribe. Okay, so to fix a lost signal, there are several methods you can use. And make sure your internet quota is full. First, before you mess with your phone, you should try long pressing the power button, then click restart. This will refresh your phone, thereby restoring the lost signal. And the second method is to turn on airplane mode on your phone. To do this, scroll down your phone, then click the airplane logo. Wait a moment, then click the airplane logo again and turn on your internet data. This also refreshes the network so the signal reappears. Third, go to your phone settings, then click Connections and Sharing. Then scroll down and select Reset Wi-Fi and Mobile Network. Then click Reset Settings. Don't worry, this isn't deleting data, but rather refreshing your cellular network. After that, activate your internet data on your phone and see if the signal appears. Okay, I hope this was helpful. Thank you for watching this video. Bye bye.